Assalamualaikum and hi to all of my friends and my dedicated lecturer Sir Alex. Today, I'm going to talk about soil properties. Soil defined as unconsolidated mineral or organic material on the immediate surface of the earth that serve as a natural medium for the growth of land plants. Soil have various types of properties. Firstly, let's get into soil texture. Four types of soils are sand, silt, clay, and loam. These soils have different characteristics. You can pause it if you want to read. So, I have collected several soils from my backyard area. There are three samples of soils. I have labeled them as soil A, soil B, and soil C. Let's have a closer look to these soils. Now, take some of each soils and feel the texture. Soil A has some kind of equally or medium texture and friable, and it is black in color. Soil B has firm texture. Add some water and it will become sticky and plastic. It has reddish in color. Soil C feels gritty and loose when you grip it. It has dark grayish mixed with brown color. Next process, try to form a ball with these soils. Just add a little bit of moisture using your hands. Push all the soils together. Work it between your hands until it forms a moist ball. This soil is not gritty and has the smoothness to it. It's not sticky. This soil is very much like plasticine. It forms a nice ball that holds together due to its stickiness. This type of soil has structureless texture, which the primary particles do not aggregate but instead fall apart. The next process is to form a ribbon. Push it between our forefinger and our thumb, and in pushing that, we're creating a ribbon. Next, we are going to talk about soil structure. Primary soil particles are arranged into secondary units called pads. The shape of the pads and the way in which they aggregate in a soil is referred to as soil structure. Soil structure affects how easily air, water, and plant roots move through soil. There are several types of soil structure which are granular, blocky, platy, prismatic, structureless, massive, structureless, single grain. Next, we are going to talk about soil color. Soil color reflects an integration of chemical, biological, and physical transformations and translocations that have occurred within a soil. There are three major factors that influence soil color. Number one is organic matter content. The details are organic coatings tend to darken and mask the brighter colors of the minerals. Number two is water content. Soils are generally darker when wet than when dry. Water content also influences oxygen level and thereby the rate of OM accumulations, which darkens the soil. Water content also affects oxidation state of Fe and Mn. Number three is presence and oxidation states of Fe, which is iron, and Mn, which is manganese oxides. The presence and oxidation states of iron and manganese oxides tend to give the soil red, orange, yellow, gray, and bluish-gray color. Next, we are going to talk about soil pH. Soil pH influences the availability of nutrients, which affects the kind of plants that will grow, which affects the amount of organic matter to the soil. Talks about biological. These constant soil characteristics related to soil microbial and fungal activity. Earthworm, nematodes, bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and so on are among these species. Soil biology plays a crucial role in assessing the characteristics of many soils. Soil organisms break down organic matter and make nutrients available to plants for absorption when doing so. By leaching, the nutrients contained in the bodies of soil organisms avoid nutrient loss. Microbes also sustain the structure of the soil, while earthworms are significant in soil bioturbation. In the conclusion, soil A is loam soil, soil B is clay soil, and soil C is sandy soil. That's all from me. Thank you.